Good morning everyone, myself Harshvardhan Singh from class 11th PCM group. So let's start our CyberChef projects. First of all, we will see interactive page. This is a simple login form using JavaScript language. So let's see it, and it is linked through four or different pages. So let's see first. Uh, this is a JavaScript code and a function named as validate. If I have included if else statement in it, and here's a form tag in body for the input buttons. So let's see it. Here's our login page. So we will enter our name. Here we have used radio button, so we can select only one option. Okay, I enter my username. If I submit like that only, it will show invalid because I have left password blank. So I have to give password also, and its length must be greater than 5 characters. Submit. So our next page which opened is we have to provide us our mobile number. So if I write any number use with 10 digit, it will show invalid. We have to start our number between 7 to 9 digit correct mobile number, like this. Sorry, like this. If we submit, it's valid. Okay, it's not redirecting. Let me see. Okay. Okay, now it will run. So we will enter our number here, submit. Now we have our email page. This is also same as mobile number. We have to give a correct syntax of email. Then it shows valid, and we are redirected to a small question paper. So this question paper is made using JavaScript language. With I have defined many of functions in it and different on-click events. So let's see. It has a timer of 30 seconds, and it calculates score by itself. I am doing it randomly. It contains of 10 questions, and after the end it will ask you to repeat the question, repeat the test. So this was our interactive page. Let's move on to our website. So this is our website code. This is a internal CSS and internal JavaScript file also, in which this is under the style tag. This is CSS styling. This is the this code is the preloader CSS styling code, and its function is in our script tag. This is the link tag, that is A, and these are images for the page content. So let's run it. So this is a preloader. Now we have our web page. So there are buttons. If we click on them, we will we will be redirected to another page. Like if I click on admission, I will be redirected to a registration form. First I will fill it. In address I can add anything for now. In password, telephone number. If comments, if you want to give any comments. And we will send it. So we are redirected to a third page which says you are registered for further admission process. You have to visit school. Okay, now we will see once again. Now we will see another button like fee structure. This will give us the images of the fee structure. So this was our website. Now we will see a calculator based on Python language. So let's see that also. Okay, this is our code. Here this is int input is used to take value from user, and these are the four choices we will print, and this is if else command. So let's run it also. Okay, now here it asking enter choice 1 2 3 or 4. I will enter 3. I will give two numbers. It will multiply it and shows the answer. Okay, now we'll exit it. Okay, our next code is from C language, which is also a calculator. Calculator is a basic program which we learn uh, while learning a programming language. So let me open that. So here it is. It is a C language based calculator. Here we have used switch case, which is better than if else case. So let's run this also. Here it is asking to enter any operator, which is plus, minus, divide or anything. Okay, now we have to enter two numbers. So it added it and showed us the as 59 as the answer. So this was all for the Cyber Chef, and thank you. Jai Hind.